Hello everyone! In this video we will be learning about the Euler's method. Here is an example equation for us to solve with. So the example is y prime is equal to x squared, where the initial value is equal to 1. The step size is 1, and we should find the value of y at 5. So let's solve it now. The formula is y sub 1 is equal to y sub 0 plus step size multiplied to the function of x sub 0 and y sub 0, while the x sub 1 is equal to x sub 0 plus h. So practically speaking, we're going to find the value this point of y. So 5 at the x-axis. What's the value at the y-axis? Apparently, what's the height? So let's solve it now. We've divided the solution to 5 steps. So per step is another step. So step size, step, don't get confused, but they are, relatable. We have a step size of 1. Therefore, it's much more easy to understand our solution. So step 1, using the formula, we've seen that it's also at step 1. Apparently the step size at 1. You get just kidding. So using the formula x sub 1 is equal to x sub 0 plus h, so 0 plus 1. Therefore, we're at the step 1. At y sub 1, we have the 1 plus, the formula is h times the function of x sub 0 and y sub 0, so 0 and 1. Substituting the value of 0 to the x squared, we will be having 0. So 1 plus 1 times 0 is 1. That step or procedure will be repeatedly done across the steps 2 to 5. So here's the step 2, step 3, step 4. You could pause the video if you want to understand the whole solution. So here at step 5, we have the x sub 5 is equal to 4 plus 1 is equal to 5. Then y sub 5 is equal to 15 from the previous y sub 4. So 15 plus 1 times the function of 4 and 15. So 4, inserting it in the x squared equation. So 4 squared is equal to 16 times 1 is still 16. 16 plus 15 will have 31. So our approximation is that the value of y at the point 5 in the x-axis is 31 by the use of the Euler's method. And at this point, I think we have just solved it.